Saka rin storyteller. Gusto ko lang din sabihin.
Thank you so much.
Alright, Clash, paano ano po masasabi ninyo?
Hi, Beza!
Hello, sir.
Meron ka din bang moving pinagugutan ng song na to? Kasi parehas kayo maganda kwento ng song. And knowing na tong kantang Chandelier is sobrang hirap na song. And ang hirap i-inject ng personality dito sa song na to. Pero napakita mo sa amin yung personality mo. Sobrang ganda ng performance mo. Yun lang yung masasabi ko.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Congratulations, Beza.
Hi, Beza!
Hello.
Ang ganda ng boses mo and sobrang bubbly ng personality mo. Pero dito, nararamdaman ko yung parang brokenness mo while singing. I wanna ask, ano ba yung meaning ng song na to for you?
I've known this song since I was a kid. Hindi ko masyado pong naintindihan yon. Pero when I chose this song, you know, teenagers like me, when you were depressed, when you were anxious with everything that is happening in your life, hindi mo na alam kung paano magre-react eh. Kung ipepeke mo ba na okay ka lang pero deep inside you're shivering. And Chandelier is the best song to explain how it feels. I'm holding on for tonight. You're trying your best to live kasi hindi mo na alam yung gagawin mo. And this song explains so much about it.
Thank you din, Beza, because based sa song choice mo, you're also raising awareness. And that's a beautiful thing to do if you're a singer, an entertainer. Kasi naniniwala ko na meron tayong bigger purpose dapat sa mga performances natin. Congratulations,
Thank you so
Beza.
much po.
And God bless you.
Beza!
Hello po, Sir Christian.
Okay, first you speak so well.
Thank you.
You sing so well as well. And very unique din yung pag-atake mo ngayon. Nakikita namin na you're slowly creating who you are dito sa The Clash. At nakikita namin in every episode kung sino ka talaga hanggat mabuo mo yung uniqueness mo at hanggat super ready na i-share mo to sa mundo. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Beza. And we want you to know that we are always here for you. Mapit ka lang palagi and always keep the faith. Alright?
Thank you so much po.
Okay. Kay, please join me here. Clash Nation and Clash Panel, sino kaya kina Beza at Kay ang makakabalik sa top of the Clash? Ang desisyon ng ating Clash Panel susunod na sa pagbabalik ng The Clash Teens. Isa, laban sa lahat!